Good morning, children. Previous class we saw buffer action. What is buffer action? Upon addition of small amount of the acid or base to the buffer solution, there is no changes in the pH or slight increase in the pH. Slight increase in the pH can be explained by using this sum. Let us analyze the effect of the addition of 0.01 mole of solid NaOH to 1 liter of a buffer solution containing 0.8 mole acetic acid and 0.8 mole sodium acetate. Assume that the volume change due to the addition of NaOH is negligible. Given Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Given data is 0.8 mole of acetic acid is given. 0.8 mole of sodium acetate also given. And Ka value for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Acetic acid, weak acid, how much moles is taken? 0.8. Acetic acid dissociate to produce CH3CO minus and H plus. So now we consider alpha moles of acetic acid is dissociate to form alpha moles of acetate ion and alpha moles of H plus ions is formed. So that it can be written as 0.8 minus alpha. Then sodium acetate, it is a salt, completely dissociate to produce 0.8 moles of acetate ion and 0.8 moles of Na plus ion. This is a buffer solution. How can you calculate the Ka value? That is dissociation constant. Product concentration, that is CH3CO minus concentration, H plus ion concentration divided by reactant concentration, that is acetic acid concentration. Product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Then H plus ion, it will undergo cross multiplication. Acetic acid CH3COH comes as numerator, CH3CO minus acetate ion comes as denominator. So that H plus concentration is equal to Ka into acetic acid concentration divided by acetate ion concentration. Ka and equal, that will be replaced by directly proportional. So that H plus concentration is directly proportional to the ratio of concentration of acetic acid and acetate ion. Alpha is already known, that degree of dissociation of acetic acid. Then acetic acid 0.8 minus alpha. Acetate ion concentration, that is equal to alpha and also 0.8. Acetate ion, that is equal to alpha plus 0.8. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. So equation number 4 applying equation number 2. We know that the concentration of acetic acid is 0.8 minus alpha. So that acetic acid is replaced by 0.8 minus alpha. Acetate ion alpha plus 0.8, because the buffer solution mixture contain acetate ion, alpha moles of acetate ion and 0.8 moles of acetate ion. So that alpha plus 0.8. So that acetate ion is replaced by alpha plus 0.8. After substituting equation number 4 in equation number 2, the formula becomes Ka into 0.8 minus alpha divided by 0.8 plus alpha, that is equal to H plus concentration. Here degree of dissociation is very small when we compare to 0.8, so that it is omitted. Alpha value is too small when we compare to 0.8, so that it is omitted. Alpha value is omitted. So what's the remaining? H plus concentration is equal to Ka into 0.8, alpha is omitted, divided by 0.8, alpha is omitted. 0.8 cancel. What is the remaining? Ka. H plus concentration is equal to Ka. Given that Ka for acetic acid is in sum equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Ka value is given in the sum. Then H plus concentration equal to Ka, so that the H plus concentration is equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. So this H plus concentration is applied in the pH formula. What is the pH formula? pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. Minus log H plus concentration value is replaced by 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Minus is taken outside. Log is common for both. Log 1.8, log 10 power minus 5. Minus comes inside. Minus log 1.8 minus log 10 power minus 5 minus log 1.8, that means 0.26, minus 5 comes before the log, minus into minus plus 5, log 10 based on 1, so plus 5. 5 minus 0.26, that is equal to 4.74. pH is equal to 4.74. This is the pH for the given data, that is 4.74. Now we are going to see about the calculation of pH after adding 0.01 mole NaOH to 1 liter of buffer solution. Concentration of OH is 0.01 is already given the sum. We know that acetic acid is dissociated to form alpha moles of acetate ion and alpha moles of H plus ion, so that it can be written as 0.8 minus alpha. 0.8 moles of sodium acetate dissociate to produce 0.8 moles of acetate ion and 0.8 moles of Na plus. After adding NaOH, that means base, how much moles? 0.01 moles. 0.01 moles of base is added to the acid to form acetate ion. 0.01 moles of acetate ion and 0.01 moles of water. So acetic acid is also dissociated in the mole 0.01. This is the H plus ion concentration formula. From the value of H plus concentration, then calculate the pH value. Already know that K value is given. How to calculate the concentration of acetic acid and also acetate ion? The concentration of acetic acid from the given data. Acetic acid dissociate to form acetate ion and H plus ion. Alpha moles of acetate ion and alpha moles of H plus ion, so that it can be written as 0.8 minus alpha. Sodium acetate 0.8 moles is completely dissociate to form 0.8 moles of acetate ion and 0.8 moles of Na plus. Acetic acid combined after adding the base. How much moles of how much mole is added? 0.01. 0.01 mole of base is added to the acetic acid to produce 0.01 mole of acetate ion and 0.01 mole of water. So that acetic acid is equal to 0.8 minus alpha minus 0.01. 0.8 minus 0.01, that is 0.79 minus alpha. Acetate ion alpha plus 0.8 plus 0.01, that is product side. Alpha plus 0.8 plus 0.01. 0.8 plus 0.01, that means 0.81 plus alpha. We know that alpha value is very small compared to 0.8. 0.81, it can be neglected. Alpha can be neglected. 0.81. Concentration of acetic acid. Concentration of acetic acid is equal to alpha is neglected, 0.79. Acetate ion, alpha value is neglected, 0.81. So these values are applied in the formula. H plus concentration is equal to Ka into acetic acid concentration divided by acetate ion concentration. Ka value 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 is already given the sum. Acetic acid 0.79 divided by acetate ion 0.81. After substituting this value, we get 1.76 into 10 power minus 5. That is H plus ion concentration. H plus concentration is equal to 1.76 10 power minus 5. This value apply in the pH formula. What is pH formula? pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. Minus log. H plus concentration value is 1.76 into 10 power minus 5. Minus is taken outside. Log is common for both. Log 1.76 into means plus log 10 power minus 5. Minus comes inside. Minus. Log of 1.76, 0.25. Then minus 5 come before the log. Minus the minus plus 5. Log 10 base 10, 1. That is 5. 5 minus 0.25, that is equal to 4.75. The pH is 4.75 after the addition of base. Before addition of base, the pH is 4.74. So there is a slight variation after the addition of base. The addition of strong base 0.01 molar sodium hydroxide increase the pH only slightly, 4.74 to 4.75. So the buffer action is verified.